Okay, so today I want to create a new machine catalog with the new XenServer 8. So I had an video earlier that I installed the new XenServer, and Citrix is out of the equation, and I prepared an MCS master, and now I just want to create a machine catalog to see how it does. Alerts, MCA snapshot has been created. Okay. Okay, let's try to add it to my site. So I have a 2203 LTSR CU3 site, and let's add a hosting connection. XenServer. And IP of this one is 29. Root, password, and new xen 8, so that I know that it's new xen 8, PVS or MCS. Yep. Use storage shared. Yes, I have an NFS share there. Okay, selected both. And let's see. I don't really care about the name, just the functionality. Okay, so no problem here. Let's do a catalog. Right machine. Next, multi-session because it's OS 2022. Yes, MCS. Okay. Let's go with the newer version. 1 VM. Yep. Now let me create one Active Directory account really quick because I need one. MCS. Okay, new computer. Let's say MCS clone. MCS clone. Xen 8. I will know. Okay, let's go back to our browse and let's see if it's fast enough. Yeah, it's fast enough. Next, MCS Xen 8 new. Okay, process has started. Let's take a look at the hypervisor. If it's doing what it's supposed to do, it will take a little bit of time. Okay, so it's doing the magic as it's supposed to. Let's see, the base disk, prepared entity, okay. And the base disk, okay, looks good. Okay, so it finished. Oh, wait, I was on the wrong DDC. So I can see here a machine. Let's power it on. go to the Xen to see the magic. Come on, come on. Okay. So it's booting. So until it's booting, let's add it to a delivery group and do the full test to launch a session. New, create delivery group. Okay, this is my machine. Everyone, no application, add desktop. New Xen 8 desk. Okay. Dev Xen 8. Okay. View machines. Initializing. And I want to see a registered. Meanwhile, let's start the storefront. Okay, it's here. Did it initialize? Yeah, registered. Okay. Clicking time. Launch. Okay, so successful. Working as expected. Okay, thank you everyone. I will do other videos, more tests with the new Xen. Have a great day.